Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for Intermediate Level Part 2. In this lesson today, we're going to talk about the future perfect tense in passive voice. Let's get started. In active voice, we use verb 3. Likewise, in passive voice, we use verb 3. The helping verbs here are will or shall plus have. But in passive voice, we use will plus have plus been. You can also use shall plus have plus been, but that's not very common. Let's come to the positive structure, which is subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus by phrase. For example, he will have helped them. In this sentence, he is the subject, will have is the helping verb part, helped is verb 3, and them is the object. In passive voice, you have to say, they will have been. You have to add been. Helped by him. Here, the subject is they, will have been is the helping verb part, helped, verb 3, and by him is a by phrase. I will have taught you. You will have been taught by me. And Naeem will have sent the emails. The emails will have been sent by Naeem. Coming to the negative structure, subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus by phrase. Use not between will and have. Do not use it after have or after been. For example, he will not have helped them. They will not have been helped by him. I will not have taught you. You will not have been taught by me. And Naeem won't have seen it. It won't have been seen by Naeem. Now let's talk about the positive interrogative structure, which is will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus by phrase. Here, you just need to use will at the beginning of the sentence. For example, will he have helped them? Will they have been helped by him? Will I have taught you? Will you have been taught by me? Will Naeem have seen it? Will it have been seen by Naeem? Now let's do an oral exercise. In this exercise, you have to change the following sentences to passive voice. Let me do the first one. They will have lost him. Here, they is the subject, will have the helping verb, lost is verb 3, and him is the object. In passive voice, you will say, he will have been lost by them. Good luck with the rest of them. Alright, let's talk about the answers. Number 2. They will have broken the glasses. The glasses will have been broken by them. Number 3. The police will have caught him. He will have been caught by the police. 4. He will have forgotten us. We will have been forgotten by him. 5. They will have announced the result. The result will have been announced by them. 6. She will have sold her house. Her house will have been sold by her. 7. They will have met him. He will have been met by them. 8. He will have guided him wrongly. Here, the object is him. He will have been guided wrongly by him. 9. They will have met him. He will have been met by them. And 10. Mr. Amiri will have shot the video. The video will have been shot by Mr. Amiri. Now let's do one more oral exercise. Change the following sentences into active voice. This time, you have to change these sentences into active voice. Number 1, my pen will have been lost by me. I will have lost my pen. Good luck with the rest of them. So, let me share the answers with you. Number 2. Lunch will have been cooked by her. She will have cooked lunch. 3. A car will have been bought by them. They will have bought a car. 4. Nemat will have been taught by me. I will have taught Nemat. And number 5. The computer will have been used by him. He will have used the computer. This concludes our session for today. Do not forget the exercise that is attached to the same video. Remember, this was just a short version of our today's lesson. The same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much.